Animals are people.
He was upset that the dog park was closed.
I forgot. You look so handsome. You look really handsome, Benny. Can you look at your mama? He's ignoring me because I took him to the groomer. He hates going to the groomer, but it's so hot, so he had to get shaved. So he won't make eye contact with me. He does this every time. Benny, you look so handsome. Benny, can I have a kiss? Benny, can Mommy have a kiss, Benny? I love you. You're a good boy. You want to go get a treat? Oh.
Animals also are people. They have feelings, they have intelligence, they have emotions, they have understanding, and they have the desire to live their lives in peace until God calls them home, just the way we humans do.
Vegan, 'cause animal people are the love from the divine.
For more details and free downloads, please visit SupremeMasterTV.com.